Oh, last week was very, very massive, guys. Last week was so massive, it was so massive. I want to welcome you guys to August. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, here is some Jason White here. All right, you're welcome to my channel. Okay, if you're new on this channel, just click on the subscribe button, like this video so that it can get to as many people as possible. Yeah, last week this was our setup for weekly outlook for last week, and then we were actually expecting the market to go to break this particular zone and go up for a buy. You know, yeah, that was our expectation for last week outlook. And what happened on Monday when the market opened, there was a gap up. Then I dropped a short video on YouTube and all my social media that if the market should come back into where I circle here or here, that we should take our buy and we ride it to the up. Mind you, where this market is, it's a very strong zone. The market has failed to break it since last year. It has not broken that particular zone. So when the market retraced back to this point, let me zoom it very well. When the market retraced back here, we took a buy from here. We took a buy and we were 100 pips profit. The market was moving nicely, 100 pips. You know, This is about 160 something, but we're about 100 pips plus. When the market got there, I posted it on my Telegram. You see it somewhere here. So if you're not on that free Telegram channel, you're missing because you will not be updated on what we are doing. So when the market gave us something like about 100 pips plus, then I made a comment that they should break even to about 30 pips. So we break even here. And what happened? The market retraced back, rejected from here, and then dropped down and dropped down. And when the market dropped, then it dropped back into this key level, meaning the buyers, there is not enough there's not enough momentum for the buyers to keep taking the market up, you know. So I made a statement that the market is bearish. The market is what? Bearish. And you see what happened. So yesterday on Friday in the morning, I dropped a chart. Yeah, I dropped this chart on 1 hour on my Telegram also. If you're not there, you're missing. If you're not there, you are missing. So when I drop this chart, I said I drop it around here. When I drop it around here, myself and my team were already on the trade, on the sell. So when we drop this, I said they should watch out. They drop it here. The market came down massively. And I said, we're going to have a retracement up and drop it down. What happened? Can you see it drop massively? We had this retracement back up to exactly where I said, and the market did what? Drop. So meaning, if you're on my Telegram channel, yesterday alone, you should be able to book something like how many pips? 573 pips. If you are on my Telegram channel, if you are not there, the link is going to be under the description of this video. Just do yourself a favor by clicking on it and join. It's free of charge to join, it's very free to join. All right, so that's that about it. And then moving forward to what we should be expecting from the market next week, I would like to clear this one. I would like to clear and use this. This is a new month, which is the month of August. So I'll be starting from monthly. I'll be starting from monthly, yeah. So from on a monthly, if you look at it, I made a statement yesterday on my Telegram as well. I'm gonna pin it somewhere. I said this month is a bearish month. Take it or leave it. I'm not saying anything that want to take the market up. It's a bearish month. If you look at this particular zone, the market has failed to break it for how many months now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a five different months. The market has tried 5 different times now to break this particular key level, but could not. So we need a very strong momentum to break that. And if you look at it right now, if you're familiar with candlestick formation and all that, you can see this engulfing. The buyers took it up and then close with this dodgy. You can see it. So now, looking at it now, this one looks like what? Like a reversal pattern. If you look at it, very, very clear. It looks like a reversal pattern. That's what we are seeing. Now, I'm done with the monthly. So let me just take it down to the weekly. This is US 30, guys. In case you're just joining and you don't know, this is US 30. Yeah. This is US 30. In case you're just joining and you don't know, this is US 30. Yeah. Moving on, if you look at it critically on the weekly, you can see that last week was so bearish. It's a very, very bearish week. It was a very bearish week last week. Take it. Okay, let me just mark out some key levels. Some key level here. Yeah. This is a key level here. Yeah. And now we are done with this weekly. Nothing to be done here. So I take it down to the daily. On the daily, you can see that the market was so glaring that, hey, bro, I'm coming. It's so glaring that it's coming. We had a push to the upside. We had this break, we had this break, and then what happened? The market went back up, and then it's coming. Could not break here again. This is a daily. If you are trading daily, you should make some cool cash last week. Mind you, the market is still an uptrend, but I'm seeing a very massive bearish trend this week. Very, 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 very bearish momentum this time around. So this is daily. Yeah, this trend line got broken and we have a key level here. If you watch it very well, we can actually have a minor key level here. Yeah, minor key level on this spot. And let's try to use our Fibonacci. Let's use our Fibonacci. Okay, the market is going to drop, guys. The market is going to drop. There is no profit that can hold this market. The market is going to drop, guys. It's going to drop. Take it or leave it. The market is going to drop. So what I'm saying here is a bearish momentum. So let me just take it down to the 4 hours where we're gonna end it. And this is what you guys should be expecting from the market, as the market will be opening on Monday. Please make sure you back there. Yeah, so what we'll be expecting from the market this week is something like this. Wait for the market to give us a nice pullback here. From here, we are taking it down. This will be TP1 and this will be TP2. Nothing more. I'm not saying nothing more. Or the market can just continue. Although I'm not saying that the market cannot just, we can have a gap down. Here, TP1, still our TP2. All the same, it is still a sell. All the same, it is still a sell. Or we can have a very huge retracement back here. I'm not saying it, but we are not predicting. We are not predicting. So just like I did last week, we can have a huge retracement down here, and then the market will drop here. All the same, this month of August, take it or leave it, the market is going to drop massive. So let me just put something like this here. Let me put it here. So for this week, so we don't jump. So the stop loss will just be here, very, very tiny. The stop loss will be here. The entry will be here. This is one. You have to watch my, everybody know what we do. We don't jump into the market. There are some candles we see before we can say we want to jump in. We don't just jump into the market. This area is going to be TP1. So if you are not, when I'll be entering this trade, I'm going to post it on my Telegram. So if you are not on that Telegram, you're missing. You're missing. That's the truth. So I'm going to give the entry when I'll be entering the market. This is going to be TP1 for next week. And this is going to be TP2, TP2, TP2. Yeah. This is going to be golden zone, golden entry, golden zone for entry. That place, it's going to be a golden zone for entry. And this is going to be another entry also. It's also an entry. It's also an entry, but depending on the momentum we're going to be having from the market. So all the same, this is what we should be expecting from the market this week. This is what we should be expecting from the market this week. We have a risk to reward of 1 to 7. This one, 1 to 7 risk to reward. This one, 1 to 7. And if you look at this one, this 1 to 4. This one is 1 to 4. This one is 1 to 4. So here's where I'll be calling it a day. I'll drop the video today so that you guys can consume it and then do your assignment as well. All right, so till I come your way again, guys, this is Omojesun YK signing out. Bye for now.